flagged off the construction of 7 kilometers road in Ugwuagba, Obosi, Idemili North local government area. The road construction, which has already commenced last October, will go through Mbuka, Obosi. Government House correspondent Valentin Badaga reports.
Governor Soludo, while performing the function, said that his visit was not just for the flag-off, but to inspect the level of progress recorded by the contractor. The governor, who frowned at the slow pace of the project, said he will visit again next month and threatened to terminate the contract if the contractor shows incompetence, and noted that he is passionate to liberate Anambra from the sufferings they go through as a result of road crisis, even as he appealed for the support and cooperation of Anambra. He reminded them the need to vote all APGA candidates in the coming elections and also to ensure they participate actively in the forthcoming census.
I made a mistake in 2005 and I am a Meziozo. Oga and the Masobopota, ne disturb, na ama go on an Igbo. Onye Jimad na Jomwe. Ndi Ugwu, ana go mo ọkụkọ ma ewu nọ na beba. Kete canon na Nigeria, litegodu n'uru dị na ya no. So na ikwesịrị isi ndị be anyị na ebe onye anọ na ya nọta ka eme gịnị ka agụọ ya ka anyị wee kete nke anyị. Onye bụ ife onye maala ife kwesịrị ị na-ekwu.
APGA candidate for Idemili North and South Federal Constituency, Chief Iken Niyebu, and his Idemili North constituency counterpart, Honorable Ifeanyi Chekwu, said that Soludo has earned the trust and support of the people through his unprecedented achievements within 11 months in office. They noted that APGA is the party with true progressive and democratic ideology, called on the people of Idemili North to be steadfast in their belief for a greater tomorrow under APGA leadership.
Now we're a working governor, only where the interest of the masses at heart. Now you know, because the governor, the party state here, which is APGA, 25th of February, I get election. APGA na get election. We wouldn't do na get election, but APGA. Let us not shame our state. Our state is APGA, Anambra by APGA, Idemili by APGA, Obosi by APGA, Soludo by APGA. Let us not fail our state. Because on the 25th, let us come out early enough. I broadcast about our vote. Also,
some stakeholders, including the Secretary to the State Government, Professor Soludo, the Special Advisor to the Governor on Town Union and Chieftaincy Matters, Barrister Ashan Nabife, a member of JAC, Barrister Ifatu Obiokoye, the Chairman, Old Motor Parts Dealers Association, Mbuko Obosi, Mr. Samari Furunwa, all commended Governor Soludo for the road project and promised their support to deliver APGA in the coming elections as a way to encourage him to do more. The Transition Committee Chairman of Idemili North, Mr. Chuks Ibanwa, while welcoming the governor, recounted the benefits of Soludo-led administration to Idemili North and prayed God to strengthen him. Present at the event are the Commissioner for Works, Engineer Ifeanyi Okoma, the Chief of Staff to the Governor, Mr. Ernest Ezajiwe, a stakeholder in Obosi, Mr. Chukura Omezie, the Idemili South Transition Committee Chairman, Mrs. Amako Obi, and the Deputy Chief of Staff and Chief Protocol to the Governor, Chief Chinedu Moye. From Obosi, Valentin Badaga reporting for ABS News.